Dear student, how are you? I hope that you are all are well at your home. Dear student, Alipur Union Secondary School from online class. Welcome to all. Dear student, now I want to take English class, English second paper of class 6. Dear student, for long times you have stayed at your home because of COVID-19. So now I am going to take English second paper of class 6 by greeting and knowing welcome to all. Dear student, at first I want to introduce me before you. I am MD Ziad Ali, assistant teacher, Alipur Union Secondary School. Dear student, then I want to introduce lesson introduction, class 6, subject English second paper, unit 1, lesson 13, topic present continuous tense. Dear student, you all know that tense is the mother of English. If you want to learn something about English, at first you have to know about the tense. Have you understood? Dear student, what do you see in the picture? Certainly you will say there are some birds in the pictures. Dear student, what are you see in the picture? Certainly you will say we are see the birds to fly in the picture. Another, what do you see in the picture? What are the boys doing? The boys are running on the road. Dear student, this or is continuing. Have you understood? Birds are flying and the boys are running. Dear student, today's topic is present continuous tense. Dear student, at first you have to know about the definition of present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used for something happening now, the action is not finished. Have you understood? Dear student, what is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used for something happening now. The action is not finished. Dear student, I will know about the learning outcomes. Learning outcomes of the lessons. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to give questions answer using present continuous tense. Another, identify present continuous tense. After all, make sentences with present continuous tense. Have you understood? Dear student, what do you see in the picture? What are they doing? They are catching fish in the river. Dear student, there are some people in the river. They are catching fish. They are catching fish in the river. Dear student, what do you see? Another picture. Is the man riding a bicycle? Certainly you will say the man is not riding a bicycle. The man is riding a motorcycle. Have you understood? Dear student, the action is running. Have you understood? The action is continuing. Dear student, what are two ducks doing in the water? Two ducks are swimming in the water. What is the cat doing? The cat is sleeping. What are they doing? They are drinking water. Dear student, two ducks are swimming in the water. It's assertive sentence. The cat is sleeping. It's also assertive sentence. They are drinking water and assertive sentence. And these are continuous tense. Have you understood? Dear student, what do you see in the picture? Is he eating rice? Is Selim going to market? Is the man swimming in the pond? Dear student, a structure of present continuous tense. Dear student, you have to know about the structure of present continuous tense. If you want to make any present continuous tense, at first you have to know about the structure. Have you understood? Dear student, affirmative structure of present continuous tense. At first you have to take subject, then am is are, then verb এর সাথে ing, then object or extension. Have you understood? Dear student, for example, he is eating rice. He is eating rice. Dear student, here he is subject, is auxiliary verb, eating main verb with ing, rice object. So, a structure of affirmative sentence of present continuous tense, subject plus am is are plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object or extension. Have you understood? Dear student, negative structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus am not, are not, is not plus verb এর সাথে ing plus object or extension. For example, the man is not swimming in the pond. Dear student, here the man is subject, is not, is here auxiliary verb, not negative word, swimming main verb including ing, in the pond extension. Have you understood? So it is called present continuous tense. Have you understood? Dear student, now I want to discuss about the structure of interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Am is are plus subject plus main verb plus object plus interrogative mark. interrogative marks. Dear student, for example, is Salim going to market? Dear student, here is auxiliary verb. Salim subject. Going main verb. To market extension. So it is called an interrogative sentence of present continuous tense. Dear student, where are these used? Dear student, where are these used? Am, is, are. Where is am used? Where is are used? Where is used? I will know about the using of am, is, are. Have you understood? Dear student, in affirmative sentence, at first subject plus am, subject I plus am, negative subject I plus am not, interrogative am plus subject. Dear student, here am is used after first person I. Have you understood? Dear student, we have to use am with first person I. Dear student, affirmative sentence, subject third person singular number, he, she, it, or third person singular number plus is. Dear student, if the subject is third person singular number, we have to use is after that subject. Have you understood? Dear student, in negative structure, at first subject, he, she, it, third person singular plus is not. Dear student, if the sentence is negative and subject is third person single number, we have to use is not after the subject. Dear student, interrogative sentence, at first we have to take auxiliary verb as auxiliary verb is, then subject he, she, it, and third person single number. Dear student, if the subject is third person single number, we have to use is after the subject in interrogative sentence. Have you understood? Dear student, now I want to discuss about the using of first person plural we, second person you, third person plural they. Dear student, in affirmative, subject we, you, they, third person plural plus are. In negative, subject we, you, they, third person plural plus are not. In interrogative, are plus subject we, you, they, and third person plural. Dear student, the subject is plural. For it may be first person, second person, and third person plural. Then we have to use are. In affirmative and negative are not. Have you understood? Dear student, make sentences from the jumble words. Jumble words, pair words. Dear student, make sentences from the jumble words. Dear student, there are 10 circles on the screen. He or she is taking my bath. I are food, am, mangoes, looking green, cooking. Dear student, you have to make sentences from the jumbled words. Dear student, answers. Number 1, he or she is cooking food. It is continuous tense. Number 2, Number 2, I am taking my bath. It's also continuous tense. Number 3, mangoes are looking green. After that is a continuous tense. Whereas their student, whereas at first subject, then auxiliary verb, then main verb including ing, after all another object and extension. Have you understood? Dear student, he or she is cooking food, I am taking my bath, mangoes are looking green. These are continuous tense. Have you understood? Dear student, read all the sentences first and find out which sentences are present continuous tense. Paradox. Dear student, Rohim and Karim go to school. Sheila is making a cup of tea. Orphan played badminton yesterday. It is not raining now. Babul is running in the field. Dear student, there are 5 sentences on the screen. You have to find out which sentences are present continuous tense. Have you understood? Dear student, look at the pictures and write what they are doing in each picture. Write them in 3 structures of present continuous tense: affirmative, negative and interrogative for each picture. Dear student, there are 3 pictures here. Look at the screen. What are they doing? Answer. Dear student, you can see on the screen a car moving arrow and furrow. Have you understood? Dear student, a police is driving a car. It is affirmative sentence and its present continuous tense. A police is not driving a car. It's negative sentence. It's also present continuous tense. Is a police driving a car? It's an interrogative sentence, but it's a continuous tense. Dear student, you can see a man is digging soil. A man is digging soil. It's an affirmative sentence. It's a continuous tense. A man is not digging soil. Is a man digging soil? Dear student, a man is digging soil, assertive sentence and continuous tense. A man is not digging soil. A man is not digging soil. It is negative sentence, but it's continuous tense. Continuous tense, that's mean present continuous tense. Is a man digging soil? It's a continuous tense. It's a present continuous tense. Have you understood? Dear student, what do you see in the picture, third picture? Dear student, 2 chickens moving. The chickens are eating